Hey there, folks.
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on all the latest gadgets and gizmos.
Today, we're diving into the magical world of smart string lights with the Twinkly Candies. Now, if you're like me and you love adding a touch of sparkle to your home, then you're in for a treat. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. The Twinkly Candies come in sets of either 100 or 200 LEDs. And you have 4 adorable shapes to choose from: pearls, candles, stars, and hearts. I've got the pearls here, but trust me, each one is as charming as the next. Plus, with each light individually controllable, the customization options are endless. Setting up these lights is an absolute breeze.
Whether you want to wrap them around your Christmas tree, tape them to the wall, or hang them over your bed, the possibilities are endless. Just keep in mind, folks, these lights are for indoor use only.
Now, let's talk tech.
The Twinkly app is where the magic really happens.
Using your phone's camera, you can map out exactly how you want your lights to shine. And with a wide range of effects to choose from, including gentle color blending and rapid strobes, you'll never get bored. But how do they perform, you ask?
Well, folks, I gotta say, these lights are an absolute blast. Bright enough to light up a room and with effects that'll leave you mesmerized, the Twinkly Candies truly deliver on the fun factor.
So, there you have it, folks. The Twinkly Candies are a delightful addition to any indoor space. Whether you're decking the halls for Christmas or just adding a touch of whimsy to your everyday life. Sure, they might not come with a power supply and they're strictly for indoor use, but trust me, the smiles they'll bring are worth it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on all the latest products.
Until next time, stay illuminated, folks.